Filoform's MD4 Duct Sealing System protects you and your property, including vital equipment, from damage caused by gas and water penetration through unused duct openings. This seal can be installed very quickly, and if the duct opening is to be used at a later time, the seal can be removed. Prior to assembly, ensure the wall and the duct are clean and dry. Sand the duct with sandpaper. Remove the resin package from its protective aluminium pouch and mix the polyurethane filler for 30 seconds. Then open the package using the screw nozzle. Squeeze the filler into the MD4 duct seal and push it into the duct opening. The polyurethane filler will expand and seal the duct.